everyone, welcome to my channel. I always bring you some good live websites or applications that can help you in your studies. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful website for students. This website is called Aizzy, and it is not like any other website. It is very user-friendly and can help you learn from any source. Let me show you how first. Open Google and search for Aizzy. Click on the first website that you see. Then log in to the website with your email and password. Now you are ready to use Aizzy. Aizzy can help you learn from any source, whether it is a YouTube video or a PDF file. You can upload any source to Aizzy and ask questions about it. I will ask some questions and see how Aizzy answers them. Wow, Aizzy is amazing. It answered my questions very well and also told me when my question was not related to the PDF file. This way, Aizzy is a very useful website for students and I highly recommend it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!